Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how you can auto-generate subtitles for the video you want. First you can go to ForgeCut.com and download a beta version of this video editor. After you do that, you can drag and drop your video in media bin and then in timeline. You can select it, go to audio tools, come down to auto subtitle with AI, click it. You can enable word highlighting and change the color you want the word to be that is spoken. You can also change the font and press OK. You can press OK and play.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lab Coats.
After you're done with that, you can render it. You can export it from here or press Ctrl E. You can select desktop, change quality, FPS and press export. You can also update the project settings. You can go to File, Project Settings and change it to vertical resolution, for instance. Press OK. You can zoom in, double click and zoom in and do the same thing. After you're done, export it. And you now have vertical video as well.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lab Coats. Did you know Coca-Cola is the world's most popular non-alcoholic beverage? Hey everyone, welcome back to Lab Coats.
You can save the project and discard it. And that's it. If this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.